Hey handlers, I'm back, and in this video today I wanted to do something different and fun. Okay, we're gonna glue it on, and I marked out on the cap where the ears are. So if you're gonna think of doing this style, I think you should mark out where the ears might be. So this is the front, this is where the sideburn will basically be. So this would need to be flat. And over here is the back of the ear, and right here is the front of the ear. And I'm not really going to talk in this video. This video is basically a watch and learn. So, and guys, you know I get quiet when I start working, so you guys better watch closely. The type of hair we'll be using is 27 pieces. Sorry guys, the video wasn't on, but I'm basically doing the same thing as I go along. I'm putting 2 pieces down. I'm putting 2 rows down, and I put like different sizes going up, flipped up in different spots. I didn't put it, this is where the ears is, where I already explained, so I'm not going to put any flips right here. Anything from here is going to be flat. Same thing over here. Anything from after the cap is going to be flat. So just pay attention from here on. I'm sorry that the video wasn't recording. And you guys really didn't miss nothing. I'm still at the bottom. And the same thing that I'm about to do is what I have been doing from the very bottom. I don't know where I last got cut off, but I apologize, guys.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down.
told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. What's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray